Welcome back to Blender Tutorial for Beginners Part 06. Today we will look for GridFill upgraded on Blender 4.5. I already put some different geometry to check how this upgrade function. First, you must be in Edit mode and selecting the edge loop, which needs to be filled with holding Shift plus Alt and pressing on one edge border. While edge loop selected, press Ctrl plus F. In following options, select GridFill. In different type of geometries, GridFill needs some adjustments from down left toolbar: span, offset, and simple blending. In the flattened surfaces, so far you must need to adjust with both toolbars until you get the shape filled as you wanted. On the other hand, on geometries such as cylinder and sphere, so far you might need only to adjust span. A tip might work on more complicated surfaces is to adjusting the missing surface numbers on one side as span. For instance, as you can see, sphere is missing 8 surface per each horizontal orientation. Therefore, the span number is 8. Or you can try to enable or disable the simple blending on some flattened surfaces. There you have it. Filled surfaces with upgraded feature on Blender 4.5. Like if you enjoyed and subscribe if you would like to see more Blender tutorials. See you on next part.